Today I'm going to show you how to install TLG guards onto a BMW X7. And people install TLG guards to protect the sides of their precious investments. Check this out. This is what you get when you don't have TLG guards also in the front. Typically, this whole side gets sandblasted by dirt, rocks, and whatnot. Installing it is pretty straightforward using common hand tools. You need to get yourself an angled screwdriver, or you can remove the wheel if you don't want to get the tool. You also need a 10mm wrench. The kit comes with screws and obviously the guards. Let's start with the front by removing the two screws that you see here, the only big screws that you see in the wheel well. This one and that one. Then you take the guard and the provided screw, and you can install it both ways. You have a bit of a rougher side on one side and a smoother side on the other side. I like to put the rougher side towards the tire. And what you do is you grab the original screws that you removed and put it through the guard and then attach the screw. And then do the same thing with this one. It will provide you a bit of tension because they're constructed so they bend against the curvature of the wheel well. And then use your 10mm to tighten it. And last, take the supplied shortest screw and drive it through the third hole directly into the liner. You can use the angle screwdriver or you can turn the wheels. And you're done. Moving on to the back, which is a similar situation, except the two screws that you are removing are here, and then there's one deeper down there. So this one and that one. And now take the screws that you just removed, drive them through the flaps and tighten them. And last but not least, you have to drive two new screws directly into the liner. So grab one of them. And this is where the angled screwdriver comes in handy. You can, of course, remove the wheel if you prefer that. But get yourself one of these and that. And you're done. And this is all it takes to install TLG guards. We designed them with ease of installation in mind. So if you have a set of common hand tools, it's super simple for you. But check this out. This is what they look like on this lovely X7. From far away, they're barely noticeable. And as you come closer, you can see the thin profile looking really, really good from this side. And as you move farther back, this is what they look like from this side. Very, very cool. If you're interested in getting TLG guards, check out the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.